And here it is, guys. I've been getting a lot of requests to show it out in the sun, so there you go. This is how it looks out in the sun. I really like it. I really think this is the color I'm gonna be going with, so let's see how it looks. There you go, guys. Nice, shiny. I like the amount of glitter that I applied. So what do you guys think? Should I go with this color? Just let me know, and we'll see what color we're gonna go with, but I'm pretty sure I'm gonna be going with the candy apple red. All right, thank you very much, guys. A real quick video as to how it looks out in the sun. Thank you, and like always, stay safe and God bless.
Hands deep in the grease, call it autotherapy. Far away spray, got the drip, it's clarity. Colors so sharp, they cut through reality. Bright gleams brighter than my hungry mentality. Custom dreams, painted schemes, grind, don't stray. Far away, lit the canvas, now I paved my own way. Hard work, every stroke, till the shine holds sway. Rolling in a masterpiece, far from grey. Masked up, fumes, thicker than the workshop grind. Sandpaper prayers and a detailer's mind. Every coded lyric, layers so defined. Turn a clunker to a stunner, tattooed in design.